fake butt. It'll save you from injuries, bruises, and bad falls. Is this a pimple? You little traitor! I'll take care of you! I won't pop you, I'll conceal you instead. I turn a pimple into an elegant little mole with an eyebrow pencil, and no one will know. Oh, another pimple? And one more? I think I went overboard. I look like I have chicken pox. Parents have their own dress code. You can't argue with them. Honey, look proper and come back home right after school. Understand? Sure, I'll do that. I'll just make my little adjustments. Loose hair, a fake piercing, my favorite clothes, and leg tattoos. Pull beige nylon tights onto cardboard with a printed tattoo template. Trace the tattoo with a fabric marker. Make a colorful tattoo on the tights the same way. Tattoo tights are the final touch. Now no one can stop me. I hope my school is ready to party. Oh no, my eyebrow pencil broke, and I don't have a sharpener. Going out without eyebrow makeup is bad luck, but I can do trendy, colorful eyebrows. Cut an eyebrow out of a piece of white faux fur. Trim the fur. And color the eyebrow with different fabric markers. Now I just have to stick on my new eyebrows using lash glue. Oh yeah! I look beautiful! Excuse me, you have two furry caterpillars on your face. Did you know that? Don't touch them! These are my stylish eyebrows, but they are fake. Fine, let's find out. Whoops! Your eyebrows couldn't handle getting cleaned. Hey, you've been watching anime for 5 hours in a row. Time to take a break. Alright, I'll just finish this episode. I only need 5 more minutes. Then I'll go back to real life. Create a big outline around the eyes with brown eyeshadow. Cover the surface with white face paint. Add shade to the eye on top. Add eyeshadow under the eye and on the crease. Make the outer corner darker. Trace the outline with eyeliner. Apply mascara. Glue on false lashes. Create lower lashes with eyeliner. Apply concealer onto the lips. Draw new lips with a pencil so they look smaller and rounder. Add blush on the cheeks and the nose. Hey, redhead! It's been more than 5 minutes! Whoa! My friend looks different after watching anime. Do you want a butt like Kim Kardashian? You'll have to work hard at the gym. I've been doing squats for an hour, but my butt is still flat. No matter how much I squat, it won't grow. I'm tired. There's an easier way to get a Kim K butt. Make a circle with one flat side from insulation material. Stack the pieces in a few layers and sew them together. Sew 2 halves together, shaping a figure 8. Put it into your leggings. A fake butt is the best gift for my exhausted body. Now my butt is the most outstanding part of my body. And I don't need to sweat at the gym. This life hack is amazing. I'm going on a date, and I have to look fabulous. Eyes, cheekbones, lips. What color should I go for? My lips look way too small. I have an idea. I'll cut fake lips out of an under-eye patch. My lips turned out perfect, even, plump, and gold. Now I just have to apply lipstick. Wow! I look better than Angelina Jolie. My date will love it. Hello, honey! Whoops! I think I left my fake lips on his cheek. What should I do? This is so awkward. You look amazing, sweetheart. What's on my cheek? Are these your lips? That's so weird. Redhead always looks great on FaceTime. See you soon. Bye-bye. Phew, the call is over. I can relax. I'll put on my favorite pajamas, eat a snack, and take off my special eyelash glasses. Glue fake eyelashes to glasses. What a great life hack! And you don't need a Snapchat filter. When someone calls me, I just put on my glasses with makeup and I look fabulous again. Hi everyone! Welcome to my new beauty blog, Heavenly Makeup. And today, I'll show you how to do an unusual pattern makeup look using eyeshadows, a sponge, and a stencil. Put a piece of plastic onto a printed logo. Cut out pieces with a utility knife to make a stencil. Put the stencil onto your face and use a sponge to fill it in. There you go! You got a cool fashion pattern on your face. It looks like I fell asleep on my favorite Louis Vuitton bag. If you like this brand but you don't have money to spend on designer things, do this face pattern. I'm a fashion icon. Like, subscribe, and take selfies. Welcome to the opening of my exhibition. Who am I kidding? The guests are only here for the food. Sorry, can you please let a pregnant woman go ahead? Sure, come on up. By the way, there's an exhibition going on. Great! My little bowl played a few roles today. First of all, it made a perfect fake belly. Secondly, it's a great container for treats. Pregnant people have a big appetite. Nothing but crumbs left. This romantic girl is reading a book at a cafe on a bright, sunny day. Spring is the best, and the sun gives us the gift of freckles. Not enough sunlight? Then replace it with a special gold freckle liner. Put eyebrow gel into a container using a pipette. And add gold pigment. Paint gold dots on the cap. Apply the liner to a thin brush. And make dots on your face that look like freckles. Gold freckles will make you feel fresh and cute right away. Shine bright and say thanks to the sun. What an awesome party! But I don't look cool enough. I'm so plain and nobody's paying attention to me. Wait here, I have an idea. Cut a strip out of a straw. Cut the rest of the straw into little rings. Spray paint them silver. And glue rhinestones on top. A fake piercing made out of a straw? This is genius! I'll pretend that I pierced my ear. I look cool with my straw piercing. Do you want to look even cooler? A hair extension with a zipper looks good on you. Glue a braided hair extension to the back of a zipper. Cut off the hair tie and the excess zipper. Hot glue the end of the zipper to the hair extension. Put a hairnet on top and attach a hair clip. Turn over the zipper, unzip it, and undo the braid. Once you open the zipper, everyone can see your bright personality. This is a great accessory for a creative party look. Redhead, let's watch a movie. This is Scary Nightmare Fuel Part 2. Eek! Redhead hates horror movies. She is always scared. But you can't show weakness in front of your friend. I will prank her so bad that she'll never invite me over to watch horror movies again. I'll quickly transform myself into an old lady. Define the nasolabial folds and draw wrinkles with a brown eyeliner pencil. Blend it in. Coat the lips with concealer and define with brown eyeshadow. Make the cheekbones darker. Define the wrinkles with concealer. Blend with your fingers. Apply dry shampoo to the hair. Don't brush it in. What a great makeover! Now I have to go back to my friend without her noticing and scare her. Redhead, is that you? What happened? The movie is an hour and a half long, not 50 years. I got so scared that it aged me. I told you I didn't want to watch that. Always listen to Granny Redhead. Did you like our life hacks for a fake look? Then comment below which one you'd copy. Would you make glasses with lashes, fake lips, or colorful eyebrows? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss new beauty hacks from Troom.